Hi, this is Jennifer Chiswick, Head of Product for Automation Analytics and Intelligence, AAI. And today I'd like to spend a few minutes giving you a demonstration of the data insights capability within AAI. Before I launch into the demonstration, let's just take a minute to talk about what a data insight is. Basically, a data insight is a customizable view of some type of interesting automation data that's available within your AAI platform. There are many different types of data insights, but they all share certain common functionality. So basically, any data insight can be viewed as an interactive web page. It can also be made available as a widget, which you configure and place on your own customizable dashboard. It can be generated as a PDF file or a CSV file. You can schedule them to be emailed to whomever you would like at whatever frequency you would like. And they can also be shared with other users within your organization. Depending upon the type of data insight, there will be various customization options. These include filtering, sorting, column selection, column ordering, etc. With the 6.5.3 version of AAI, there are 3 data insights that are available: the job status data insight, the processing load data insight, and the audit history data insight. So I'm going to switch over to the product to give you a demonstration of what this looks like. So here is an example of the AAI web user interface. I'm going to jump over to this data insights item on the left-hand menu, which will bring me to the catalog page, which lists all of the data insights that I've either created or have been shared with me. From this page, I can add new data insights by clicking on this Add button on the upper right-hand corner, and there's various other actions I can perform by clicking on the Action menu that's to the right of the data insight name. So why don't we just take a look at one of these data insights that's already been created. Let's take a look at this AutoSys by machine processing load data insight. When I click on that, I get the full page view of data. And what this particular insight is showing me is I have it filtered to an individual AutoSys instance, and I'm looking at the last 24 hours. I can change my filters if I would like, or I can even add new filters if I would like. For now, I'm going to just leave the filters the same, and what you'll see is that I can take a look at what my busiest machines were over the last 24 hours. As a matter of fact, if I sort the data in the table below by number of starts, it will automatically bring the busiest hour of the busiest machine to the very top of the list. And I can see this is clearly my busiest machine. There were 3,000 jobs that started between 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. today. And if I click on that number, I'll see exactly what those 3,000 jobs were. So this is just an example of one type of data insight. And this is the full page, the full interactive page view of the data insight. Now I'm going to draw your attention to the upper left-hand corner where there's a dashboard icon. If I click on the dashboard icon, it will bring me to my own customizable dashboards where I've placed, in this case, I have 3 different data insights that are all on the same page that I've pre-configured so that I can quickly come back and take a look at my system statistics is what I call this page. I can create other pages. I've got one which is called AutoSys statistics. And if I go to that one, I'll have a different set of data insights here. So in this case, I have a data insight which is showing me all of the jobs in this particular AutoSys instance that are not in a success state. So I can find all the failures quickly so I know what I need to focus on. If I scroll down, I also have this machine graph that we were looking at before, which shows me the busiest machine in this particular instance. So you can create as many pages as you want on your dashboard and go ahead and when you say add new widget, it'll give you a list of your data insights. You can look at it by type and you can pick a data insight that you'd like to add to your page. So maybe I'll add this end of day reconciliation data insight, which I created earlier, and now I have that one on my dashboard as well. So now going back to the catalog again, if I go back to the data insights catalog, this is where you can also add new data insights. I click on the add data insight button. It'll ask me for which type do I want to create. So maybe I want to create a job status data insight to look at all of the statuses of my airflow job. Maybe I just want to look at all of my airflow jobs. So I'm going to call it airflow jobs, and I will go to the filter tab and select a filter on scheduler and select my airflow scheduler. If I wanted to, I could add additional filters based on job name, machine name, any other properties I'd like to filter on. And in this case, I'm just going to save this, and we'll take a look at it. So it just created a new data insight called airflow jobs. If I click on that, I'll get my full page view of all of my airflow jobs with their current statuses. So that's how easy it is to create a data insight. You can create as many as you like. You can manage them through your catalog page, and I hope that you have time to explore this functionality within AAI. Thanks so much.